In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the date and price range on TradingView, an essential tool for any trader looking to make data-driven decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use these tools can really enhance your experience on TradingView and help you analyze market trends more thoroughly. First, let's dive right into it by opening up the chart that you intend to analyze. This will be the foundation of our work today, helping us visually inspect the various data points we're interested in. Once your chart is open, the next action is to focus on a feature called Highlight. When you hover over or click on certain parts of the interface, the Highlight tool will draw your attention to specific sections, making it easier to identify key areas. It's a simple but important trick to maneuver around the interface effortlessly. Now, navigate towards the Date Range tool. This tool allows you to measure the duration between two dates on your chart, an extremely handy feature if you're trying to study how particular events or market trends have developed over time. After selecting the date range, take a moment to click the Highlight feature again. It serves as a useful reminder of the area you're focusing on and helps reinforce your understanding before moving on to further analysis. Let's go ahead and select the Highlight feature once more. This will aid us in following the sequence, acting like a breadcrumb trail of where we've been, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Now you'll want to turn your attention to the Price Range tool. Similar to Date Range, but this time you're measuring the price movement between 2 points on the chart. This is especially valuable when evaluating volatility and understanding how the security's price has changed. After selecting this tool, use the Highlight feature yet again. This allows for easy cross-reference with the previously selected date ranges and helps in developing a comprehensive understanding of market conditions. Lastly, as you continue to refine your analysis, remember to use the Highlight tool as needed. It provides coherence to your chart analysis process, making sure every aspect is considered and nothing is left behind. In summary, using the date and price range tools in TradingView, along with the highlighting feature, can greatly enhance the efficiency and depth of your market analysis. By mastering these tools, you can gain a better grasp on market trends, pivotal moments, and how distinct dates and prices align within the broader context. So take your time to practice using these features on your charts to ensure a better informed trading strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.